Welcome again. So today I'm going to give you a walkthrough about the Windows 10 and some basic things that you need to do after freshly install your system. So let me show you. Okay. So first of all, once you installed your Windows system in your computer, let's go to the properties on this PC. All these things I'm going to show you to is going to help you and give you a basic walkthrough what to do and some basic information about the Windows 10 OS. So over here, as we can see, this is the device specification, like your name, I mean the computer name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, etc, etc, and the system type. Your system is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so you can copy this setting from here, or you can change your computer name. I already changed it, but if you freshly install this, then you can see something like desktop or 003, something like that. You should change that. So to change that, you can click and rename this PC. So as you can see, the current PC name is Pritham, so let's change it to Pinto. Next. After that, you have to reboot your system once. As you can see, it's saying after you restart, your PC name will change to Pinto. Restart now or later? I don't want to restart it now, so restart later. And if you can see on the right side, we have some more information on your device. So like BitLocker setting, this is basically a software or a services that Microsoft Windows provide. What this thing do will, if you have drives like this, for better understanding, let me show you. Yeah, so if you have drive like this, like I have two drives, local drive and C drive. So if I click on it, I can really open this drive, right? So what the BitLocker will do, it will put a password and encrypt the data on that drive. So every time you want to open that drive, you have to decrypt it and put the password. Then you can access the drive. And once you re-logged in or reboot your system, it will automatically block. So no other user of your computer is able to use that particular drive. It's helpful if your system is getting used by many people. Yeah. So this is that, and this is the device manager. I'm going to go this thing a bit later. This is the remote desktop. If you are in same internet connection or like same Wi-Fi or LAN, and if you have another system you want to access, you can do it from here. So let's not go there. Just properties. Yeah, we are here. This is the system protection. What this thing do, it's protect your system. Suppose somehow your system got crashed and it's unable to boot up, so on that time you can't do anything. But if you take some action to prevent that, it will help you to fix that problem. If your system is unable to boot, you can restore it by creating a restore point first. So let me show you. So to create a restore point, we have to click on the C drive. I'm going to click on the C drive. Then it's already turned on. I have already created a video on this thing, you can see on my channel. Then you can create a restore point. This thing will simply restore your system on the date you have created it. It will configure all those settings that that particular restore point has. This is the advanced system setting. You can make some changes like performance, virtual effect, processor scheduling. I already told you about. And this is the remote connection, computer name. You can see the hardware details from here and that thing. Okay, so this is the some basic information about your Windows PC. Now let me show you. the user thing. So for that, we are going to right click on the start and computer management. Over here, you can see the computer management panel has been open. You can see the task scheduler, you can schedule your task, event viewer, you can view all the events that are currently happening in your system. You can see all the details if you have any kind of error or what is the problem your system is going through. It will generate all the logs over here. So share defect, you can share some files, session, open files. This is the local user and group. Okay, so you can create a user on the user panel and groups under the group panels. So as you can see, I have some user over here, so I'm right now using this user. If you want to set password, you can set over here, just right click over it and it will give you some actions to do, like set password, all task, delete this user, rename properties. So if we go to the properties, let's see. Okay, we can assign these settings like user cannot change the password. If you check mark this thing, the user will not be able to change the password. Or for this account, password never expire, account is disabled. You can also disable the account. Member of, as you can see, this user is currently member of administrator. If you created a new account, it will be only user account, it will not have the administration permission. If you want to do it, then you have to just click on the add, then advance, find now, and you can select the group, which group you want to assign to. Then okay, I've already did that, so it's no users. By default, if you create a user after installing your system, it will be under this particular group doesn't have much permission. Let me just show you. So I am in the group, and the group I'm going to right click and see general member of Windows NT authenticated user and authenticated interactive. Okay, so it doesn't have much permission. And the otherwise, if you click on the administration, as you can see, it has two users, Pritham and Pintu. So you can see the basic details. Administrators have complete and unrestricted access to this computer and domain, and the users are prevented from making accidental or intentional system-wide change can run most application. So you can see which group has which kind of access. You can see from here. You can also see the device manager from here. You can see all the hardware components like processor, monitor, keyboard. You can see the drivers over here. This is the disk management. You can see your disk over here. So as you can see, I have two different disks. One is NVMe, which is currently running my operating system, and this is disk 0, and another is the normal HDD, which is disk 1. Both are 500 GB. So I have installed the Windows on the disk 1 on the NVMe. So yeah, you can see the services and applications which are running over here. If you click this, you can see all the services which are running. You can simply check over here. You can also go to this thing by running this command, like services.msc. If you run that, it will lead you to this same services window box. You can do and see many options over here on this page. let me show you something. Like, let's see about Windows update. So if I click on this, I can see that Windows update services, it's currently running. As you can see, it's running. If I don't want my system to be get new updated, so I can just stop and stop. It will close. Now these data of services stopped, and just okay. But I don't want that, so I'm going to start again. And okay, so you can see bunch of services which is running over here. You can also stop over here and restart by clicking this. So this was a basic walkthrough of the Windows 10. If you like this video, please comment and let me know. Thank you.